Hi, good day. I hope you're doing well. This video is just to demonstrate how to use the JavaScript that I wrote to see the total amount of years and months of experience of anybody that you may have on LinkedIn or that you're looking at. So here what I've got open is my own LinkedIn profile, and if we scroll down to the experience, you can see all the various positions that I've worked at previously, as well as the duration that I worked there. The big challenge for me, and the reason why I wrote the script, was just if I wanted to quickly see the total amount of time that somebody has worked, for curiosity's sake or whatever purpose you may have, you'd kind of have to try and add together the year and the month. So what I did is I wrote a little JavaScript that you can just deploy into the browser's console that would quickly aggregate the years and the month and just return the total time that somebody's worked. So it's quite easy to access. All you do is you navigate to where I've deployed the code, which is on GitHub in this repository, and then all you do is you open up the JavaScript file itself within this repository, and once that has loaded up, it's as easy as just taking the code, copying that, and then navigating back to this LinkedIn page where you want to see the total amount of years and months worked. For Chrome, all you do is you right click on the page, you say inspect, which will open up the developer console, and from here all you do here at the top right, you'll see there's elements and console. You can click on the console link, which should bring you to this page. If there's a lot of messages here and it feels quite congested, just to the left here you can just click on sex info, which will only show you messages that were logged to the console. As you can see previously, as I was testing the script, some of my messages are still logged. So now that you've got that script copied, all you do is you make sure that the cursor is blinking in this little window over here. Then you can just paste the code, and once you've pasted the code, all you have to do is run it. I didn't paste the entire code, so just make sure that you paste the entire code, and then all you have to do is paste that, and once you run it, it'll tell you that the person has worked for a total of 12 years and 4 months, which sounds about right given my experience. I've tested this on various people's LinkedIn profile pages, and it returned the right amount every time, which is awesome. So feel free to use for whatever purposes you may have. It's just a little thing that I wrote for myself. If you can find a use for it, I'd be super happy.